We shall next attend to the axial and radial adjustments at the sides using the taper gauge method. For the axial checks, turn the coupling to align your two marks at 90 degrees from the top and take a measurement. Rotate the two coupling halves by 180 degrees and take the next reading at the marks. Note the difference, and if this exceeds 0.05 millimeters, then make the necessary correction using the side adjusting screws as described in modules 2 and 3 of this series. The final check is the radial side correction. Ensure that both marks are aligned at 90 degrees from the top and check parallel conformity against the edge of the taper gauge. Make the necessary side adjustment as described in modules 2 and 3 until both half coupling edges rest parallel against the taper gauge. Recheck all the parameters once you have evenly secured the motor hold-down bolts. It should be noted that alignment procedures can differ according to personal preferences or the degree of accuracy called for. When the highest degree of accuracy is specified, then state-of-the-art equipment is the only method that can guarantee this. But until you're familiar with traditional methods, such as those we've covered in the past modules, we suggest that you don't attempt to use laser equipment. For the while, leave this to the experts, whilst you get in some practice on conventional methods. Join us in future Tech AV training programs.